Hey guys, good morning. It's Bill Moscas with MarineMax in Stuart. I want to show you this brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Let's hop on. Starting from the transom, you have your power plant over here, twin 225 Mercury Verados. There's the 6-cylinder naturally aspirated models. You have your swim ladder right underneath my feet, covered with this awesome cover so it's not a tripping hazard. Few rod holders over here, fresh water intake for your tank so you can use it rinsing the boat, showers and whatever else. Black water tank outlet. You also have a pump out when you are 3 miles offshore or more. You have the live well over there with the transparent lead. You also have a second live well, which I consider it the main live well because it's huge in there. And also when you add water in there, you're adding water towards the center of gravity of the boat rather than offset towards the back. So this is a great ice bucket, or if you need 2 species as bait, you can certainly utilize both. You have a nice bolsters all around the boat when you are fishing, but when you want to enjoy the boat socially, you also have, this large seat for 2 people. Another feature that I really like on this boat is this, because if you like to stand, you have something to grab on, 2 cup holders over here, more rod holders both sides. The classic, flush way to tie up your boat. The lines go through here and tie downstairs on the teeth. Over here you have a nice holders for your brush, your boat hook, your gaff, whatever you need. 2 huge fish boxes to the sides and easily accessible bilge right underneath over there. The upholstery, if you notice, is the gray upholstery, which is an upgrade. It really ties up really well with the boat. I like it so much better than the tan upholstery. That is the standard option. Nice twin seating over here on the helm with bolsters and armrests. The captain chair actually has 2 armrests. Heading over here, I love the twin screens. You can have all kinds of information you want. I love to have my chart over here and my sounder over here. VHF right below, JL audio, digital throttle controls with automatic trim. And also you have your trim tabs right next to it. The steering is hydraulic. Nice storage up on top. What we call the electronics box, but there is no electronics in there. It's just a nice storage box with friction hinges. Then storage for your life jackets up there, your map light, twin floodlights for the back, additional rod holders. You also have a floodlight pointing towards the front, and you have the electrically actuated vent to bring some more airflow on the warm summer days. Here you have a decent size glove compartment with charging ports right over there. Going forward, beautiful seating area. You have a table that goes right over there. Nice cooler underneath this seat with drainable storage and insulated. Yet another fish box, insulated and drainable, right underneath the floor over here. And then wraparound seating with nice bolsters to keep you comfortable. You can seat 3 people across, or if you notice the indentation, it's for you to lounge this way pretty safely. Windlass right in front of it with access and a remote right in here. There's your remote, and also you can tidy up the line and spray with water after you pick up your anchor. Always tie up your anchor with safety so you don't have any accidental release while you're running it. And lastly, but very importantly, The boat comes with a sunshade cover over here, so when you're lounging, you don't necessarily need to be in the sun. Our short presentation of this 250 Outrage. I'm Bill Mascus with MarineMax and Stuart. Call me with your questions at 203-808-5088. And thank you for watching.